Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add Grammarly extension in your Google Chrome. So let's begin our video. So first of all, I just open my Chrome browser and go on search bar and type for Grammarly for Chrome. Here you can see I already searched it before, so I just open on it, and after open, there you can see I search Grammarly for Chrome, and you can get a link Grammarly for Chrome. So open on this first link, and after that you can see Grammarly for Chrome. Add to Chrome, it's free, so you just need to click on it, and after that it's open a Chrome web store. So here you can see Grammarly grammar checker and writing apps. So you can select add to Chrome, and then you can add extension. Now you just need to wait. Download already started, so you just need to wait for complete download it. So here you can see it's almost complete. So after complete downloaded, it's automatically installed on your Chrome. So here you can see. Now I just go on, there you can see it's already on here. So there you can see there have a active. Now your Grammarly in Chrome is already active. Just you can take a look. Next and next. That's now continue to Grammarly, and I'll show you it's working or not. Just go on this new, open a new page and go on here, open on Gmail, and I try to compose something and go on here like that. I typing something, take a look. Funny, it's correct. Fun you, if I click on here, there you can see it's taking a wrong word on here. There you can see, just click on accept. That's it. Now nice job. Mm, so that's it. And in this way, you can add Grammarly on Chrome very easily. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.